Hey everybody, welcome back to True North VR. If you are looking to get rid of the new user interface and go back to the old, there is a way to do it now. I do have to say it is experimental. We don't know how long it'll last, and it does unfortunately cost a little bit of money because it is through Quest Games Optimizer. If you're interested in purchasing it, I will link it below. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, and you will need to follow their installation process. I'm not going to go through that here. But if you already have Quest Games Optimizer and you want to go back to the old, really easy way to do it. Go over to your menu there, go to unknown sources, go to Quest Games Optimizer, make sure that you are up to date. It'll give you an option at the top there. Go to your general settings, scroll down right here in extra, and you're going to see restore the old MetaQuest user interface. Click on that, and now you can see it's brought us right back. Here's our Horizon feed. On the very bottom, here is our usual toolbar. We got our time, Wi-Fi, battery, and if we go to the library, we have our regular library that we had before. So that's how you can do it. Again, it is experimental. You do have to have Quest Games Optimizer. We don't know how long it's going to last for. The developer said he isn't sure either, and it does reset itself when you restart your headset. But if you just put it to sleep and wake it back up, it will still be here for you as well. So that's how you can do it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you next time here on True North VR.